Literally anything that you can grab with your hands, we will pay for. If you drop something, you don't get anything. This is it. This is all you have. 5 minutes.
All right.
I cannot believe this.
What do you mean? Beanies won't fall. Let's get some beanies. Do we need to clap?
Yeah, I will. Or if you want to.
I've gotten good at the claps. You want to see this? Here we go. Watch this.
That's actually not bad. That was not bad at all.
Live up to the hype.
What is up, you guys? My name is Gabe Cruz. This is Daniel. We also call him Uzi. And today we're here in the beautiful Hollywood, California, right?
Yeah, what is it? Never mind, I'm not gonna ask a question.
And we're in this alley, and it looked pretty cool over here, so we're starting the video here. This is the Braille Skateboarding Anything You Can Carry, I'll Pay For challenge.
You gotta go over the rules.
There's a lot of rules to this, so I need you guys to listen right now, and I need Uzi to listen, then we're just gonna go right up in there. The point of this challenge is to go in this skate shop, pharmacy skateboard shop, we're about to go in there. Literally anything that you can grab with your hands and hold, we will pay for. Literally, whatever you want. That's the point of the video, but there are some other rules. All of us, myself, Nigel right there, Fetty and Doug, those guys, we're all his friends in real life, but we can't help you in any way. We can guide you by telling you what to get if you want something like that, but we're not allowed to physically help you grab anything.
I'm nervous.
The only people that can help you are the actual employees that work there.
The employees can help me?
Yeah.
What if they're against me though? I can't trust them.
The other rule is, which is a little different from other variations of the game that you've seen on other YouTube channels, if you drop something, you have to put everything back. You don't get anything.
Yeah, I gotta be careful.
If I were you, I would completely avoid any small things like hardwares that can just slide off.
You're right.
You gotta go for big things that you can actually get a good grip on.
You're right.
Because anything you drop, even if it's at the beginning or after you have like $1,000 worth of stuff, you have to put everything away.
Okay.
I'm liking we picked the clumsiest person for
I know, exactly.
I spilled root beer on my shoe yesterday. I don't even remember what else, but there was a lot of
Food
things.
was all over your shirt.
Yeah.
I dropped a lot of things yesterday.
So Uzi's had some moments in the past where he's demonstrated a lack of composure and or
Hey, I've been
being
getting
able
better.
to walk in a straight line. But here it is, here's Pharmacy Skateboard Shop right behind us. We're gonna go in there. And Uzi, I wish the best of luck to you, my friend, because I actually do want to do you a favor right now.
I'm gonna do my best. I feel like Jon Snow right now.
Why Jon Snow?
For the realm, brother. My shoe's untied. I almost wrecked my chances right there.
Real quick before we start, I'm just trying to be really nice to you right now. I'm gonna give you one more hint of advice. You gotta be really strategic with how heavy everything is, right? Because if you're over here carrying like 20 boards with one arm and you're gonna be extremely tired and then try to move arms and probably drop everything doing that, you gotta be very careful.
All right, should we just send it?
I think we just send it.
Okay, what if they just kick us out like instantly? Oh no, I'm nervous. I got a plan. The stuff that's hard to get, I'm gonna set it up to just grab. Anything though?
Anything.
They got hookup boards? Oh!
All right, Dan, give it the runaround, brother. You know, there's so much stuff in here.
Let's look around first.
Look around.
I feel like I gotta plot this out before I go for it.
We got shoes, hats,
Wait,
or something
beanies.
that's gonna fall really
Beanies
easily.
won't fall. I'm nervous.
Let's just let him do his thing.
Gabe, are bags allowed?
Dude, you get literally anything you can carry. You get a bag and then you can carry the bag.
The duffel bag? Oh.
Okay, all right, hold on, before you start. I feel like you're gonna get really overboard with this. We're gonna give you a time limit here.
What?
Yep.
Yeah. The second you grab something, I think a 5-minute timer should start. Is that fair? I think that's fair. You can grab a lot of stuff in 5 minutes. But if you want that duffel bag, get it down first, and the second you touch it, your time starts.
All right, let me get that blue one up there.
That's probably like $5,000.
If it's that much, then maybe.
He does feel bad.
All right.
All right, your
nervous.
time has officially started. 5 minutes and counting. Go.
5 minutes.
This is it. This is all you have. 5 minutes.
All right, duffel bag,
If
right?
you put anything down, you drop anything,
Oh, no.
you lose it.
Can I get that shirt right there in an extra large? Oh God.
4 minutes and 30 seconds left.
All right, well,
You keep
it's all right,
looking
it's all right,
around. You
it's all right.
give him orders and
Okay.
you ask him for stuff
Hey.
and then you keep walking around. Look at that, a full 45 seconds dedicated to a shirt you can't even get.
Oh, they got
Damn,
these.
get a move on.
Okay.
Why are you being picky?
Bro, I gotta get the right size. What you mean?
4 minutes. Can you grab some FP insoles? I need some. 3 minutes, 50 seconds.
I don't know what I'm looking at sizes.
I cannot believe this.
What do you mean?
I cannot believe you're grabbing clothes. Do you know how many? There's boards, dude.
I'll
you
go
need
for
boards.
that. I'll go for that. Hey, I need some socks. Let me get some socks.
Oh yeah, you.
I'm nervous. Oh, there's beanies. Let me get
3
some
minutes
beanies.
and 25 seconds.
3 minutes?
And 22 seconds
No,
now.
this is a hard thing to carry.
Give me a beanie.
Okay, let's get some beanies. Let's go.
Hey, if you wear that hat, you can walk out with it.
I'm scared of that hat, brother. All right.
Oh,
I caught it.
Beanies won't fall.
Grab FP insoles. Hella wheels.
Let me get some.
Hella bearings. A bunch of wheels.
Give me some wheels.
53s?
You got 52s? Anyone got 52s?
The phone.
Don't put it down!
I didn't put it down.
You got 2 minutes and 40 seconds. Be careful. Don't drop it.
All right,
Don't
I'm gonna
drop
have
it.
to. All right, that's it. That's enough. I need some trucks. Are these blue ones 147?
Come on, Dan.
Okay, I'll get a pair of those. Oh yeah, okay. Oh, let me get a couple
Keep
shirts.
looking. Keep
Let me
looking.
get a couple. How much time I got,
You got
Gabe?
2 minutes, Dan.
2 minutes?
Yes.
All right, can you zip this up for me? It's zipped up. Okay, this thing got handles. Oh, it got handles.
You got a minute
This
45.
thing better not do me dirty. All right, let me get those
my
hookups.
God,
Let me get those
Dan.
hookup boards. If they're 8-1s, preferable.
8-1s. He makes them in 8s.
8s, okay, fine, that's fine.
These are all 8s.
All right, I'll take the 8s.
You got a minute 15.
Oh, let me get the. Okay, let me see these. I gotta do this.
Now they're yours.
All right,
Now
all
they're
right.
yours. You don't put them down.
All right.
You got 57 seconds.
That blue. What? Okay, the April board right there with the.
Udo?
Yeah. No. Yeah. Sure. Oh wait. Okay. What's it?
8-1.
All right. That's perfect.
You got 43 seconds
Are you
left.
serious?
Can you
What
grab
one do
an
you want?
FB
The
info
angel?
for me,
Oh, the
please?
angel one. Give me the angel one.
Wait, get the link one too then.
Okay. Okay.
30
then.
seconds.
Get the link one too then. Oh no. What else they got?
22 seconds.
Let me get the baker. The baker.
13.
Oh no.
12. 11.
He's
10,
not gonna get in time.
9,
Some bearings.
8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
No,
That's
I
time.
don't even know what size anything was. I should have just grabbed more stuff. Ah,
I think you grabbed all medium.
jeez. I feel like I blew it. I did all right. I got socks though. All
right,
I needed
so-
socks.
If you can rest it on the counter safely without dropping anything on the floor, I will officially end your not dropping anything count.
All right, can I sit on that counter?
Yes, that's fine.
I feel like I blew it, but
You still did good.
I don't even like those hats. Like what? They are white actually. I did kind of want white hats. Hey, I didn't drop anything.
You just went on a shopping spree and look at all those boards you got.
That's true. And they are my favorite boards ever. I feel like we can't even show some of those boards. You gotta blur them out. See, the thing is, like, I was anticipating it being hard to carry everything on a board because it'd be a long time, but it was only like a couple minutes. So I could have just stacked up and then just grabbed a bunch of stuff, but
You got all that for nothing.
that's right. That's true. That's true. I got a beanie too.
You did good. You did good, brother.
It's like you can't prepare for this kind of thing. I can't now because it's not gonna like. That's just like a one-time thing. Let me put myself in this situation here. Okay, I came in here, I grabbed a bunch of stuff. I went to grab that beanie and I didn't catch it when it was falling, hit the ground, I get nothing. Could have had nothing. I was this close. It came out of my hand, it was tumbling avalanche pinball style down the clothing rack and I went, grabbed it.
Did you have a good time?
Gabe, I had a great time.
And now you're gonna have boards for a while.
I'm very hyped. Oh, I got these. Oh, it all happened so fast. I forgot. Also, you could ask him how long I normally take to shop. That's why I was like almost like checking the prices and stuff, because normally it takes me like an hour to find like one thing. I was full on panic mode. I had deja vu this. This is really weird. Bro, no, I had a dream of this like like 2 months ago, Dan. You probably don't believe what I'm saying, but I had a dream of this like 2 months ago, and I forgot it. And yeah, I'm kind of shook from that.
You didn't get Gabe's footprints, brother.
It was all happening so fast. You guys were yelling at me. Ow!
Look, that's why.
Ow!
That's why we thought that he was gonna fail this challenge.
I mean, on my rate, I break like a board like every week and a half. So let's see, probably about 2 weeks, I should be good. Oh my gosh! Oh, brother. I feel like we can't even film these boards.
If you want to see what a hookups graphic looks like, go buy one.
1,198.70.
Oh my gosh.
Hey, you want to drop 100 by getting rid of the bag?
I'm honestly fine with it.
Yeah, $1,089.
Okay, that's more acceptable.
Oh my god.
3, 2.
Wait, what the heck?
You got that one?
I guess we gotta cut some of these out. Whoever edits this has to do a lot of editing.
Yep, sorry about that.
Gotta edit out the cussing, the hookup boards, the hat with the cussing on it. I don't know what else. All
We got our
that.
hookup section, it's just gone. Got like 3 boards left. I'm gonna have to email Jeremy ASAP.
If I skate those like in the videos, I think I got trucks. I got trucks, right? I got one pair.
You good? Just chill.
Yeah, I'm chilling. I gotta chill. I'll
Just
chill.
go through it.
Alright, thank you
You
guys.
guys have a good one, man. Appreciate
All right,
it.
Joe, thank you so much.
Thank you.
Yeah.
I'm like shook.
All right, Dan. So this is all your stuff right
Gabe,
here, huh?
thank you a lot to Gabe.
You're welcome,
and
man.
Braille.
It wasn't me though. It was
I know.
all Braille. So
I know.
Thank you to Braille, but
Thank you to Braille. Shouts out, Braille.
I'm glad that we could do this
I
for
am
you.
shooketh, brother. I mean, I've been breaking boards so fast that this is like 2 weeks of boards, but feel very happy about it.
You look like you're struggling,
chilling.
but you also look like you haven't been this happy in a long time.
This is the best struggle.
Do you need help?
No, I got it. I
Look,
like
we're
the
not
struggle.
even making him carry this stuff by himself anymore, but he's doing it anyways.
To the car?
Secure the bag, brother.
Yeah. Well, that was the anything you can carry, I'll pay for challenge here at Pharmacy Skateboard Shop. These guys were absolutely amazing.
Yeah.
The skate shop is incredible, and they just let us go in there and be loud and film in their store, and they were totally down for it. So a big shouts out to them. Their link will be in the description below. And if you're in the Hollywood area, definitely come check them out.
Yeah.
Yeah. If you like this video and want to see more like this, let us know right down there in a comment. But there's some other videos right there that you should check out. Subscribe, like, leave a comment below, and we'll see you guys next time. Yeah.
Later.
See you later. That was amazing.
Yeah.
Okay, did you take a thumbnail?
I did not.